The largest convention center in Canada normally hosts events like car shows and Comic-Con. This week it becomes a mass vaccination site.
This is going to be great. It's going to be a pilot project that we can expand right across the province.
This is the first vaccination setup of its kind in Ontario and will provide a playbook for others in the province. The goal here, to vaccinate 250 people per day. But already there's a hurdle, a delay in the Pfizer supply.
I really think it's important for the long-term care retirement home residents to try and stick to the schedule as much as possible, and it is reassuring that Ontario is doing that.
In Ontario, health officials say long-term care residents and staff who received their first Pfizer dose will receive their second within 3 to 4 weeks. Other recipients like healthcare workers will see their second dose pushed back to the recommended limit.
Pfizer has told the World Health Organization that's around day 42 where they think it's getting too dangerous to administer the vaccine outside of that window. So, realistically, I think as long as we're getting people within that window, that's fine.
The chair of Ontario's vaccine task force says they're planning for large numbers of vaccines to arrive in April, May, and June, in time for a rollout to the general population.
I'd love to see the province of Ontario done by the end of July or early August with all those who want to have a vaccine and who are eligible to receive it.
But Ontario ICUs need relief immediately. The number of COVID patients there hit a new record this weekend. Some hospitals are so overwhelmed, they're transferring patients wherever there's space and creating healthcare units in unconventional places like conference centers.
Our medicine wards, our ICUs have been full for quite a while. And we've been transferring patients between our 3 sites and to other hospitals and even to hospitals in other cities as well.
So, Talia, when exactly does this mass vaccination site open?
Well, it's set to open tomorrow, but not to the general public. It will be vaccinating various frontline workers, like people who work in healthcare and within the shelter system. And the province is planning to open 50 sites like this one. Ian?
All right. Thanks, Talia.